Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Voice of Libraries. Today, we're going to explore one of the most interesting and often ignored parts of library and information science.
Today, we're going to explore one of the most interesting and often ignored parts of library and information science, non-documentary sources of information, the hidden channels through which knowledge flows, even without being written down. Today's first question is, what are non-documentary sources?
Information doesn't always come from books, journals, or written documents. A large part of human knowledge is transferred verbally, visually, or experientially through communication, observation, and experience. Such sources are called non-documentary sources of information. They are an essential part of scientific and technological communication and play a major role in research and development.
Please define the non-documentary sources.
Non-documentary sources are those through which information is obtained without the use of written or printed documents. They include verbal discussions, professional meetings, expert talks, radio, television, and even personal experiences.
Types of non-documentary sources.
They are generally divided into two main categories: formal sources, informal sources.
What are the formal sources?
Formal sources are organized and structured ways of sharing information. These may not always be printed, but they come from institutions, organizations, or government bodies in an official setting. Examples include research organizations and their conferences, academic seminars and symposia, government briefings, industrial workshops, university meetings, and academic councils. These platforms share information that often hasn't been published yet, but is highly valuable for professionals and researchers.
What are the informal sources?
Informal sources are personal, direct, and spontaneous forms of communication. They are non-printed, non-recorded, but very rich in practical knowledge and experience. Examples include discussions among experts, professional or social meetings, personal letters, emails, and phone calls, radio and TV programs, podcasts and YouTube lectures, social media groups and forums, personal notes, memories, or experiences. Informal communication plays a vital role in spreading the latest ideas, trends, and discoveries long before they appear in print.
What are the non-documentary sources in the digital age?
In today's world, technology has revolutionized these sources. Now we have webinars and online conferences, podcasts and YouTube lectures, social media groups and forums. These platforms have expanded the reach of informal communication, making information exchange faster and more interactive than ever before.
Importance in research.
Non-documentary sources are highly valuable in research because they provide the latest and updated information before it's published. They offer direct access to expert opinions. They include practical experiences not found in written documents. They broaden the communication network among researchers and professionals globally.
Is there any limitation in non-documentary sources?
However, these sources also have some limitations. They are not always verifiable or permanent. Authenticity can sometimes be uncertain. No fixed record or reference is available.
Please conclusion of non-documentary sources.
Non-documentary sources represent the oral, observational, and practical side of human knowledge. They form the foundation upon which documented information is later built. In short, documentary sources preserve knowledge, while non-documentary sources create and circulate it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Voice of Libraries. Stay connected for more lectures, interviews, and discussions on library and information science. See you in the next video, and keep spreading knowledge.